Very good experience overall. Very peaceful and good place to stay as a couple. The staff and the people were so kind and helpful. I would 100% recommend people who come to stay at Pondicherry to come here and have a try. Overall very pleased to stay here. Best place you can stay in Pondicherry. Loved every bit of this place. Calm and peaceful. This place is a true gem, very calm and soothing ambience. As the name suggests, it is in fact an integral retreat. Away from the busy city but not too remote too. Best for couples and family. We'll visit again for sure. For a longer stay. Staff are really helpful. Good property Nestled in Pondicherry, Villapuram. It is a very nice getaway. Exceptional, very homely and safe, clean, neat, felt a nice aesthetic and grace to the place. Staff are courteous. Thanks for the stay. Nice hotel in Clam Place. Located at Calm Place and good place to relax. Building design is nice with lights from all the sides. Rooms were clean and staff is helpful. You can order the food online from Swiggy or Zomato. Near to Oroville. Good for stay. Great place to stay. Our overall experience is good with this hotel. It is in the outer side of Pondicherry. Actually it is in Tamil Nadu, but the place where hotel is located is very exotic and covered green all side. White Town, Pondicherry, is almost 10 km from the hotel. One thing I should recommend to this hotel, that a small restaurant should be there, because if you go with the family or kids then you have to carry all the stuff with you because you won't get anything in this hotel except water bottle and a tea bags, and water bottle is chargeable. Both the manager was very nice and helpful. We had a very nice stay in La Grace Integral Retreat, and will come back again. Exceptional, brilliant place to stay. Amazing staff. It's better if you have your own means of commute. Good stay in place. The stay was pretty good and staff and the property people were very cooperative. Only suggestion I would give is have a small kitchen for guests if we have kids or old people. Overall pretty good stay.